Are you looking for a scooter that is not only capable of dealing with road bumps and challenging terrain, but is also equipped with advanced features for the best riding experience? Chinese manufacturer Zontes may have the answer with its latest product, 368G Adv. This adventure scooter has just hit the US market, where options like the Honda ADV150 are the main competitors, possibly the Honda Trail 125. However, in other global markets, especially in regions where scooters are considered multifunctional vehicles, models like this are gaining traction. Its popularity even prompted Zontes to replace the previous 350 model with a new, more powerful and innovative variant. Powered by an engine with an output of nearly 39 horsepower, the 386G Adv is capable of reaching speeds of up to 80 miles per hour. While the engine performance is quite powerful, the main attraction of this scooter is the technology and luxury features that come with it. Zontes has embedded a front-rear camera and radar system, along with an interactive TFT dashboard. This technology not only enhances safety with features such as blind spot warning, but also has the potential to evolve into an adaptive cruise control system in the future, taking the riding experience to a new level. Designed for rough terrain, the scooter uses 17-inch front and 14-inch rear wheels with tubeless spokes. The adjustable suspension adds flexibility, although it is more optimized for light rocky roads than extreme off-road terrain. The braking system is no slouch either, with 4 piston calipers at the front and a 2-channel ABS that is tilt-sensitive, providing maximum control in a variety of situations. With the combination of advanced technology, robust design, and optimal performance, the Zontes 386G Adv emerges as a serious contender in the adventure scooter segment. If the production quality meets expectations, this model has great potential to attract widespread interest, especially in European markets that value innovation and functionality in two-wheelers. Ready to explore? The Zontes 386G Adv might be the adventure companion you've been looking for.